Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which iPad you have and the iOS it's running, because Safari updates follow the system. Open Settings, tap General, then About to read Model and Version. This tells you if an update is possible. Clear storage now if under 1 GB to avoid install failures. Once done, plug in power and connect to Wi-Fi so downloads don't interrupt. These steps prevent mid-update errors and speed the process. You then check for the system update that brings Safari enhancements. Safari follows iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and wait while the device checks. If an update appears, tap Download and Install and let it download fully. The iPad restarts automatically to apply changes. If the iPad shows no update, make a manual restore using iTunes or Finder on a computer, which can install the latest supported iOS. This can update Safari indirectly. You finish by verifying Safari behavior. Open several sites, clear cache in Settings Safari, and test tabs and extensions. If pages still misbehave, reset network settings or perform a settings reset to resolve config conflicts. This preserves data, but resets preferences. Make an iCloud or computer backup before attempting a full restore. If problems persist, reinstall iOS via Finder or iTunes to force the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.